Hi friend! Is there a way to quickly find materials that I use frequently? Yes, make it a favorite. When you have a material that you may need to find again, mark it as a favorite. Then, when you need it, click the small heart in the top right corner. Here you have quick access to your favorite materials. You can favorite both your own materials or ones from the Sharing Center. You can also find the favorite materials under the Your LessonPix tab, and then click Your Materials See All. Click the Favorite tab. And because LessonPix creates PDF files, you may also download them and save them on your desktop. That is super easy.